Welcome back to the channel. Today's dashcams offer much more than simple video recording. Many now feature 4K resolution, advanced night vision, GPS tracking, parking surveillance, voice controls, and even multi-camera coverage for complete protection. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. We'll cover the key features, performance, pros, cons, and who each model is best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper Version 3-Channel 4K Mirror Dashcam. This model combines a 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and an additional 1080p bumper camera for expanded coverage around your vehicle. It features the powerful STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, known for delivering outstanding image quality during both daytime and nighttime driving. The built-in smart mirror display replaces your standard rearview mirror, giving you a modern driving experience with live camera views, GPS tracking, voice control, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. The video quality is impressive, capturing sharp details and clear license plates. The additional bumper camera provides extra visibility that many standard dashcams simply don't offer. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, STARVIS 2 night vision sensor, smart mirror display, 3-camera protection, includes 256GB memory card. If you want premium features and exceptional video quality, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro is an excellent choice. Number 2. AZDOME 350 4-Channel 360 Full View Dashcam. This model uses 4 cameras to monitor the front, rear, left side, and right side of your vehicle. The front camera records in 2.5K resolution, while the additional cameras provide full HD coverage. It also includes GPS tracking, voice control, infrared night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, and a supercapacitor design for improved durability. The side cameras are the standout feature here, offering protection during parking incidents and side impact accidents. It's an ideal setup for drivers who want a more complete view around their vehicle. Pros: 4-camera coverage, great side view recording, reliable supercapacitor technology, GPS and voice control, 24-hour parking monitoring. The AZDOME 350 delivers excellent coverage and strong value for everyday drivers. Number 3. Vantrue N5S 4-Channel 360-degree Dashcam. This 4-channel system records in 2.7K at the front and uses multiple cameras to create near-complete 360-degree coverage. It also features STARVIS 2 night vision technology, voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, dual GPS modules, and support for up to 1 terabyte of storage. One of the strongest features is the buffered parking mode, which records footage before and after an incident occurs. Combined with excellent night vision, it provides reliable protection around the clock. Pros: near 360-degree coverage, STARVIS 2 sensors, buffered parking mode, dual GPS tracking, large storage support. For drivers who prioritize complete coverage and advanced security features, the N5S is a fantastic option. Number 4. 70mm 4K T800 3-Channel Dashcam. This 70mm T800 focuses on combining premium video quality with smart connectivity. This system records in 4K at the front and interior cameras, with an additional rear camera providing full HD coverage. It features the STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, HDR technology, Wi-Fi 6, built-in 4G LTE connectivity, and ADAS driver assistance features. The biggest advantage of the T800 is remote connectivity. LTE support allows users to stay connected to their vehicle even when they're away, making it a great option for security-conscious drivers. Pros: dual 4K recording, LTE connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 support, excellent night vision, and includes 512GB card. If smart connectivity and remote vehicle monitoring are important to you, the 70mm T800 is one of the most capable dashcams available. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-Channel Dashcam. This premium 3-channel dashcam records in 4K at the front, Full HD inside the cabin, and 2.5K at the rear. Triple STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR processing, and infrared night vision help deliver excellent image quality in nearly all lighting conditions. The weatherproof rear camera makes it especially appealing for truck owners and larger vehicles. The N4 Pro S performs exceptionally well at night, capturing clear details even in low-light environments. Its combination of image quality and durability makes it a favorite among professional drivers. Pros: sharp 4K recording, triple STARVIS 2 sensors, excellent night vision, weatherproof rear camera, supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. The N4 Pro S is an excellent choice for drivers who want dependable 3-channel recording and outstanding night performance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall option, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro offers an outstanding combination of video quality, advanced features, and coverage. For full vehicle monitoring, the AZDOME 350 and Vantrue N5S are excellent choices. If remote connectivity matters most, the 70 mAh T800 stands out with its LTE features. And for premium night vision and reliable 3-channel protection, the Vantrue N4 Pro S remains a top contender. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability.